Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019. And in this video we're gonna learn how to use the region command right here. Now, as usual, there are several ways to access this command, simply by clicking on draw on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view, then the tool palettes, or just simply by typing it on the screen, as we learned in the last videos. If you haven't watched my videos yet, I recommend you just to go back and watch them in a series. They are short and easy to get the idea out of them. Now, before I go and use the command, I'm gonna draw something simple, some objects, rectangular maybe, then a circle. I'm gonna copy the circle. Just a simple object. Just like that. Then I'm gonna convert these objects into one region. Now they are in one region. Now the difference is that you can apply a lot of things that you can't do with the objects itself without converting them into a region. Something like mass prop. If you type mass prop on the screen, then press enter, then click on any object that you want. I'm gonna click on the rectangular, then press enter. He's gonna give you a lot of information that you can get out of the rectangular itself, like area, parameter, bounding box, centroid, moments of inertia, product of inertia, a lot of things. Now for area, you can just type an area and just get the area of the object, but these things that you can get out of the object itself without converting it into a region. Now you can do something else with the region, which is the subtract. You can use the subtract command by typing subtract on the screen, then click on the subtract, then selecting the object that you want to subtract. I'm gonna select the rectangular, then press enter, then I'm gonna select the circles like that, then you will get this shape. I'm gonna go back. There is another command that you can use with the region, which is the union command. If you type union on the screen, then press enter, and he's gonna ask you to select the objects that you want to union. I'm gonna select all the objects, then press enter. You will get them all together. Now the region command is really important and easy to use, and this command will speed up your drawing in a dramatic way. Now that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.